Megan. It means a place where you can't get in and out. But here, a silver artery was breathing new life into it. "15 years have passed, 5,475 days and nights, 130,000 hours, 4,197 kilometers total mileage." They use China's best interpretation of the Iron Army spirit. This is a magnificent poem written by the people of Xinjiang power grid to the earth. At the summit of Kunlun, a volley of silver thread crossing the natural moat above the sand sea, the Iron Tower is proud. Measure the earth, take the body as a ruler. They draw the veins of mountains and rivers with their beliefs, weaving the warp and weft of the era in the cloud. The sea of sand is boundless. The silver line is a staff written by the earth. The train is speeding. Play the same dream chord. They take root in the sand and retrograde in the posture of Euphrates. It's a stubborn silhouette dancing in the sky. It's a monologue of faith. The wind and snow at an altitude of 5,000 meters cannot disperse the temperature in the palm of your hand. The scorching sun in Taklamakan could not melt the firmness in my heart. For 15 years, they have used the obsession of sand to retreat and others to advance. Engraved in the folds of time, the endless power totem. Through the mountains and mountains, lift up the starry dream. Activate the industrial arteries, empowering the engine of industrial upgrading. A surge of innovation, the symphony driving green energy. Once the forbidden area of life, today, this silver artery is redefining the sea of death. It refines the wind and light of the desert into a green electricity river interconnected across provinces. Make every grain of sand a scale for clean energy. Let every degree of electricity be turned into kinetic energy for vigorous development. Ultimately, a magnificent chapter in the future of Xinjiang will be written between heaven and earth.